हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू आवर चैनल। दिस इज़ अंजलि प्रताप एंड आ गए हैं आज की सेशन में जहां पर आपको बताएंगे कि आपकी यूआईआईसी की प्रिपरेशन में जो हमारा नेक्स्ट लेग है सेंटेंस इम्प्रूवमेंट का, वो हम कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे हमारी एग्ज़ाम के लिए। सो गाइस, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, इफ़ यू हैवेंट सब्सक्राइब आवर चैनल, अगर आप पहली बार हमारे चैनल पे विजिट कर रहे हैं, सो डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू दैट, बिकॉज यहाँ पे होती है आपकी प्रिपरेशन 50% फास्टर। So, in order to understand in terms of weightage कि grammar के section में we all are aware that spot the error is one of the very traditional way of asking question it is, right? Spot error के बाद जो next favorable type of question बनता है, which is again seen ऑलवेज ऑन अ हायर एंड की सेंटेंस इम्प्रूवमेंट या फ्रेज रिप्लेसमेंट के नाम से भी आप इन्हें जानते हैं। सो सेंटेंस इम्प्रूवमेंट और फ्रेज रिप्लेसमेंट के क्वेश्चंस are right now on surge because obviously your examiner will have a chance to create some kind of diversity in terms of question pattern. So we are expecting around 5 to 8 a number of questions from this one. इधर स्पॉटिंग एरर से अगर 3-4 क्वेश्चन देकर और 3-4 क्वेश्चन वो आपको सेंटेंस इंप्रूवमेंट के दे सकते हैं, सो दैट एट द सेम टाइम दे आर डेफिनेटली फोकस्ड ऑन ग्रामर, बट साथ ही साथ उन्होंने थोड़ी सी वेरिएबिलिटी क्रिएट कर दी, राइट? तो आज देखेंगे दैट यू विल एक्चुअली रियलाइज स्टूडेंट्स दैट स्पॉटिंग एरर से कहीं ज़्यादा आसान आपका फ्रेज रिप्लेसमेंट या सेंटेंस इंप्रूवमेंट का क्वेश्चन होगा। यू नो वाई? द वेरी बेसिक आइडिया बिहाइंड दिस इज यू डोंट हैव टू स्पॉट द पार्ट। यहाँ पे ऑलरेडी स्पॉट करके दिया हुआ है आपका क्वेश्चन, है ना? आपको पता है दैट दिस पार्ट ऑफ माई सेंटेंस माइट कंटेन द रॉन्ग थिंग, बस आपको उसी पार्ट के ऊपर फोकस करना है। बट अगर हम स्पॉटिंग एरर के साथ इफ यू आर जस्ट कंपेयरिंग आवर sentence improvement with this, now you will realize that spotting error will actually give you the entire thing under the sky, right? आपको पता नहीं है कि कौन से पार्ट में एरर है, फ्रॉम विच टॉपिक यू आर एक्सपेक्टिंग द एरर, बट सेंटेंस इम्प्रूवमेंट में इतना हिंट हमें मिल जाता है। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द डायरेक्शन फर्स्ट एवरीबडी। ये डायरेक्शन विल रिमेन कॉमन फॉर ऑल द अपकमिंग क्वेश्चन, सो लेट्स ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट। So in the following sentence, a part of the sentence is highlighted. So that's what I was talking about. You don't have to spot the error. The question itself will give you the part which is highlighted. For that, you have some options, okay, as a suggestion, which may improve the highlighted part of your sentence to make it meaningful and grammatically correct. So we need to do what, students? We need to choose which of the following options can successfully replace the highlighted part to make the sentence meaningful and grammatically correct. And if the sentence is already correct and it requires no improvement, we simply have to choose option number 5 as no improvement required. I hope we are all good till here. Let's start with the first question. As you can see, there's a bold part, but we will not only going to focus on that bold part. We will read the entire sentence together, everyone. As per the trial's findings, the imported seeds of certain CPS varieties worked effectively in Indian fields, and their narcotic raw material yield was much higher from imported seeds instead of those used currently. अब सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम पता है कौन से वर्ड में दिख रही है? व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट थिंग विच यू आर नोटिसिंग हियर? द वर्ड और बेसिकली द यूसेस ऑफ द वर्ड इंसिस्टेड ऑफ. Insist means when you're trying to basically convince someone, right? But what we are saying here, that the narcotic raw material yield was much higher from imported seeds dash those used currently. So basically you're talking about another alternative. So for another alternative, insist is a better option or instead is a better option. Now I think you know the trick, right? So definitely this is our best solution possible for us. Do we have such option? Only 3? Yes, we have. So we can simply eliminate these options based on the word insist itself. I hope we are all good till here. Okay, let's try question number 2, everybody. India and Russia are committed to completing their contract for the S-400 missile system due to delivered to India at the end of the year. confirmed Russian ambassador to India who said both countries oppose US sanctions on the issue. Now, something seems wrong here. Due to delivered to India, because we all know if to is there, then verb ka first form should be there, right? So something is wrong here. Either we have to put delivered ko, we can make deliver, or we insert something else so that the existing sentence or existing form can be correct. Let's look at the option now. Due to be delivered. So this missile system due to be delivered to India at the end of the year. Okay. Due to delivery, no guys, delivery is not verb. So no, this cannot be the correct one. Duly to delivered, now this is unnecessarily making it duly, which is not basically the need of our sentence. So what we are trying to say that this missile was about to be delivered to India, or it was expected to be delivered to India at the end of the year, which is only getting satisfied by option number 1, right? So do we have such option? Yes, we have it in option number B, and that is our correct answer. So due to be delivered means it's about to deliver or it's expected to be delivered. Let's have a look at the third question, everyone. Now I think you are getting a sense what we are trying to do. And by the end of this session, you will actually realize that such questions are much easier as compared to your error spotting. For a data journalist, it has been a real joy having such quality data to working with and play with for the last few weeks. Again, I think we all have spotted the error here. To working with. गड़बड़ लग रहा है? चलिए देखते हैं क्या होगा. To work with and play with for the last few weeks. To work on and play with for the last few weeks. To working, no, we cannot go ahead with this. अब 1 और 2 में दोनों में कुछ गड़बड़ लग रहा है आपको? Okay, what is the change? If you can see, what is the difference between these two? To work with, to work on. So we can also work with the data. We can also say we are working on the data, right? So both of them can go hand in hand, students. Both of them will mean a bit different. तो दोनों के दोनों मेरे correct है and we are having such options too. Right? Okay, I hope all of us are on the same page. Guys and girls, if there is any confusion or doubt regarding any solved question which we are doing right now, you can feel free to ask those doubts in the comment section. With an unwavering focus. Guys, unwavering means something which is not, something which is absolutely steady. Sthir, okay? So with an unwavering focus on providing vaccine protection to its entire population, the US has advanced its target dates in most all states to include all those above age 16. Now, do you think something is wrong here? Yes. In most all states seems to be a bit out of place here. Let's see. Advanced its target dates in almost all states. Okay. Advanced its target dates in most of the states. Okay. Advanced to its target dates in most states. Guys, गड़बड़ पता है कहाँ है? ये part में. The third option seems correct as of now because advanced to थोड़ा गड़बड़ है यहाँ पे. Okay. Now, if you see the basic difference in between these two options, what is that? Almost all states, and here it is saying most of the states. Both of them can go, right? Because here advance means to move forward in time, right? So we cannot use to here. We need to discard this 2. So we cannot go ahead with option number C. But yes, we can go ahead with option number 1 and 2 respectively. No doubt at all. Do we have such option? Yes, we have an option number C. Okay, let's move on towards the 5th question of today's session. While deciding on whether vaccines need to introduce amid a pandemic, there can be individual as well as population level considerations. Okay. while deciding on whether vaccines, भाई मौसम की बात कहाँ से आ जाएगी, बिल्कुल गलत ऑप्शन है, right? While deciding on whether vaccines need to be introduced amid a pandemic. अच्छा, अभी आपको एक डिफरेंस दिख रहा होगा. Vaccines need to introduce. Vaccines will not introduce itself, everyone. This is the sentence written in active voice. And now if you read option number 2, you will realize that the sentence is written in passive voice. Means someone else will introduce the vaccine, everyone. इसका मतलब क्या है? Vaccine को introduce किया गया. Someone else did that. So we needed a passive voice in this case. And same, I think the thing which we highlighted here is the same mistake has been done in option number 3. With deciding on whether vaccines need to introduce, completely wrong. We have to go with only option number 2, and yes, we are going with B option. Right? Okay. You can also sense that, yes, our speed is also good in such questions as compared to the others. So it's a good thing that if you are getting more questions on sentence improvement as compared to your spotting errors. In its policy statement this month, the central bank hoped that arrivals from the Rabi harvest as well as imports would likely augment supply, helping moderate prices of pulses. तो कहना क्या चाह रहे हैं हम लोग, इम्पोर्ट्स जो है वो ज़्यादातर सपोर्ट करेगा सप्लाई को, राइट? सो ऑगमेंट मीन्स सपोर्ट हियर, हेल्पिंग मॉडरेट प्राइसेस ऑफ पल्सेस. ओके, लेट्स सी. इम्पोर्ट्स वुड लाइकली ऑगमेंट इनटू सप्लाई. तो आपको नहीं लग रहा है यहाँ पे ऑगमेंट और सप्लाई के बीच में कुछ भी नहीं है? सो ऑगमेंट सप्लाई के बीच में अगर आप ये प्रीपोजिशन लगाते हो, सो दैट इज मोर क्लियर हियर. Imports would likely augment into supply, मतलब सपोर्ट करेगा सप्लाई को. So this can be a good thing. अभी तक तो ये गलत नहीं है. Helping moderate prices of pulses. Okay, let's see. अगला ऑप्शन. Imports would likely augment supply, again as this sentence is written, helping at moderate prices of pulses. Okay. Imports would likely augment supply, helping moderate prices. सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम क्या दिखी आपको? Yes, I hope you spot it. है ना? ये तो नहीं होगा. Third cannot be the right one. Guys and girls, augment can be used alone. Always remember this if you don't know in case. An augment can be used with into, augment into something. That means basically you are talking about supporting into something. Both the ways of writing it can be a correct one. So we are going with option number D in such case, and that's why our answer is going with option number C, everybody. ठीक है? Okay. तो ध्यान क्या रखना है अभी हमें बस अब ये चीज़ का ध्यान रखना है that okay. I thought we are not having any such option. Yes, we do have. Yeah, right. So this entire session was just to make you understand, students, that if we are getting questions of sentence improvement, we should make sure that we give it our 100% over there as compared to the other question. As I said, here we are going to get the question helping us actually to come up with the right answer. Spotting errors, not spotting errors, actually word swapping questions and sentence improvement question की एक फोटे होती है, एक अच्छी बात होती है. They always come up with some hints in the question itself. If you remember, word swapping की हमने भी एक सेशन की थी. Word swapping में भी जो words है ना वो highlighted होते हैं. So we don't have to look for the wrong words. वो खुद ही अपने आप उभर कर हमारे सामने होते हैं. And same thing is happening with sentence improvement question, everybody. Right? तो आज के लिए इतना ही रखते हैं. Thank you for being here, everyone. If there's any doubt, feel free to ask about that in the comment section. मिलते हैं अगली सेशन में. Bye bye and take care.